Right, so we're going to look at a MIDI transformation tool called Span. Span is super cool. So basically what it does is it takes any sort of variation of notes that you have, and then it applies either staccato, tenuto, or legato to it. So in this case here, let's just play with staccato. Let's just hear how all this sort of random set of notes sound like as staccato. And now we're going to go to tenuto and legato. Now we'll just go to the variation. We'll just give a bit of a variation in terms of the start and ending position of those notes. And then we can offset the end times of the notes using a step grid. And then we can make it sound super cool by just going and just changing some of the filters and resonators. Just go back in there. Staccato again. You can just really get some just mental sounds here. Yeah, I mean, I'm having so much fun with this, but basically that sort of is the way to sort of get the creativity out of Ableton, just so many different variations. And at some point you get really just sort of the most interesting sounds that you are looking for.